The Akhada, a unique feature of Indian monasteries, emerged not from ancient tradition, but rather as a response to evolving circumstances. While traditionally attributed to Adi Shankaracharya in the 8th century, Srimant Narayan Giri Maharaj clarifies that the structured form of Akhada as we know them today did not exist before the 12th century. Instead, these Naga Akhada gradually developed during the medieval period, particularly between the reigns of Akbar and Aurangzeb. The term Akhada itself is believed to be a derivative of the Sanskrit word akhand, meaning unbroken, signifying an organized community of saints. Each Akhada possesses its own distinct traditions, characteristics, customs, and resolutions, unified by their practice of sannyasa, the abandonment of worldly attachments for a mendicant life. This tradition of renunciates, marked by matted hair and saffron robes, has roots that can be traced back to ancient Vedic texts. The 10 Dashnami Sannyasi Akhada are each dedicated to specific deities and were established at different times, each with a unique lineage and founder, such as Sri Panchadashnam Avahan Akhada, Bhairavaji, and Sri Panchayati Akhada Mahanirvani, Kapil Muniji. The historical development of Akhada continued with the establishment of others like Sri Taponidhi Anand Akhada, Surya Narayan, and Sri Panchayati Niranjani Akhada, Swami Kartikayaji. Furthermore, Sri Panchadashnam Juna Akhada, Guru Dattatreyaji, and Sri Pach Agni Akhada, Gayatriji, were formed later, further diversifying the landscape of monastic traditions. Besides these, there are also Udasin and Nirmal Akhada like Bada Udasin Akhada, Sri Chandra Bhagwan, Naya Udasin Akhada, Sri Chandra Bhagwan, and Sri Panchayati Nirmal Akhada, Sri Guru Nanak Granth Sahib. Notably, these Akhada are broadly categorized into two groups, Shaivites and Vaishnavites, with the 7 mentioned earlier belonging to the Shaivite tradition. Another important characteristic is their organized structure of subdivisions. For example, the Atal Akhada is split into 8 parts, called Dava, with 52 Madhis, a structure mirrored by other Akhada. The Vaishnavite Akhada, conversely, emerged in response to differences in opinion among the Shaivites. Balanandaji of the Ramanandi sect led to the creation of 3 key Vaishnavite Akhada, namely the Ani Digambar, Nirmohi, and Nirvani Akhada, all devoted to Sri Ram and Sri Shyam, Sri Krishna. Srimant Rajendra Das Maharaj, the All India President of Nirmohi Akhada, details that each Ani Akhada has its own subgroups, including Ramanandi Nirmohi, Ramanandi Mahanirvani and several others, such as Harivyasi Mahanirvani and Vishnu Swami Nirmohi, showcasing the complex organizational structure and diverse spiritual lineages within the Akhada. This complex structure and varied history of establishment indicate a dynamic evolution of monastic orders in India.